Burettes are glass volumetric instruments calibrated to deliver TDX and are used for titration in volumetric analysis. Burettes are glass volumetric instruments calibrated to deliver TDX and are used for titration in volumetric analysis.
Handling. 1. Rinse the burette with the standard solution to be used, and align burette tube vertically. 2. Fill the burette slightly above the zero mark. To prime the stopcock, drain the burette no further than the nominal capacity. 3. Refill the burette with titrant free of air bubbles to approximately 5 mm above the zero mark. 4. Drain liquid to set the zero point accurately. Important, meniscus must be read at eye level, parallax free level. Automatic burettes, fill to approximately 5 mm above the zero mark. This is adjusted automatically after air release. 5. Wipe off any drops adhering to the discharge tip. 6. Open the stopcock and slowly add titrant to the sample, containing the indicator. The discharge tip must not touch the wall of the vessel. Keep swirling the sample vessel lightly while adding titrant, or place it on a magnetic stirrer. 7. Read the discharged volume at eye level. 8. Any drops remaining on the tip of the stopcock should be wiped against the vessel wall and rinsed down. It is part of the titrated volume.
Yêu cầu riêng để thao tác chuẩn đồ được dễ dàng hơn. Đặt khóa Buret vào lòng bàn tay trái, ngón cái và ngón trỏ cầm lấy van, vặn từ từ theo chiều đóng hay mở Buret. Ba ngón còn lại tùy vào thanh Buret để giữ